Take a look at the section called Weekly Learning Agendas, Resources, and Materials. Click on the Weekly Student Learning Agenda. Then click on Week Student Learning Agenda. It's a Google slide. And you will see a Google slideshow. The first slide is titled Week 1, Wednesday, August 26th, first day of school. You'll see what our plans are for our virtual Zoom classroom on this day. And as you go through the slideshow, I've created a chart that contains all of your work that you will be doing in school. And I've listed your groups and labeled those, as well as the work you will be doing at home. The last slide 4 is Week 1 remote learners. So all of my remote learners, this is where you'll find all of your assignments. Each week, I'm going to post a new student learning agenda so that you can use this to know exactly what you need to do, what we will be doing in school, and the assignments that you'll have to complete at home on your own.